Welcome to T3 Live's Monday Market Outlook. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Options Strategist. And seeing the market roll over a little bit here after a strong open, kind of a follow-through, maybe some leftover orders from the jobs report, from the goods job report on Friday, and then we're giving most of those gains back. Expected this, kind of a relief pullback, for lack of a better word, after that rip-your-face-off rally on Friday. Really don't think the rally's in danger. However, this week, not that much in the way of macroeconomic data coming out. The biggest thing I think we're going to see in U.S. markets is on Wednesday when the FOMC minutes come out. So we know their spoken word. Obviously, they had a press conference afterwards, and we know what Ms. Yellen is thinking. But we always want to take a look at the written word to see exactly, who is dissenting, who wants to raise interest rates now, all that type of stuff. So the Fed minutes on Wednesday will be interesting. We're getting ready to enter third quarter earnings season, so that'll be big on the radar, obviously, as companies start rolling off the flight deck here and reporting their earnings. Another big development this week will be ECB meeting. Mario Draghi kind of underwhelmed the markets recently, and European markets and U.S. market. Gave a lot back based on his underwhelming performance. We'll see this week on Thursday whether or not he's going to do what he said 2 weeks ago. I'm going to do whatever it takes to save the euro. So again, not that much in the way of macroeconomic reports, but a lot of Fed heads speaking, a lot of Fed presidents finding a microphone this week. So it'll be interesting to hear what these folks are saying, because obviously these Fed meetings going forward, like it was under Bernanke, it was always guess when the taper is going to start. Now it's guess when the interest rates are going to start rising. Interesting developments down south in Brazil, heading to a runoff vote, and the EWZ is exploding to the upside. It was up, EWZ. It was up, look at that, 7%. It was higher than that earlier in the morning, about 7-8%. Huge move. Why? The Rousseff, obviously the current president, didn't win a majority, about 41%, I think. But the guy that was in third place actually came in second. Marina Silva, didn't get second, so she's actually out of it, and she was an environmentalist. This guy is actually pro-business. So the Bovespa down there is just having a rip-your-face-off rally today, that this pro-business and, more, business-friendly guy is in the runoff with her. He's obviously asking for Silva's supporters to jump behind him, and it's going to be very interesting. Also, one of the reasons, that I like to cover that the stock market is melting to the upside, we like to say, is because of those low interest rates. Number one buyer of the S&P 500 for the past year essentially has been the S&P 500. Companies are using these record low interest rates to buy debt. Right? I don't blame them, because when interest rates go up, obviously the debt isn't that cheap. So it's pretty interesting. Another reason of why we're melting to the upside. Okay. All right, good stuff going on. Had a good weekly options live trading session this morning. Got a couple positions on. SPX bull put spread, a Twitter iron condor, and we have an existing VIX bearish double vertical. So a bet that volatility is going to come in here over the coming weeks before VIX expiration. If you want to take a test flight into that weekly option service, go to t3live.com/ test. I believe you can go to test-flight, and for $38 you can take a 2-week trial into our not only our weekly options live trading service, but our primary live trade brief as well. And in addition, we'll give you access to our 3 skill-based workbooks, our primary, intermediate, and advanced workbooks. And folks, right there, that's $195 of value that you can get for $38. So a couple hours of live trading and training for the next couple weeks, and those manuals as well. And we're also starting a 7-week training course, and if you're interested, you can, after the 2 weeks, you can stay and go through that training course if you're new to options. Okay, I got to run. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Tuesday's market sit rep. We'll see you.